Hello and welcome to IS Oxford Tutorials. In this tutorial, I'm going to be running through a very quick method to check your Heritage Online usage. All this requires is access to your Heritage Online. You don't need to log into Circa, you don't need to run any complex reports. And from here we can then start gauging and understanding how frequently your Heritage Online is being used. All you'll need to do is open up your Heritage Online and at the URL at the top, remove everything forward of the word search one and replace that with the word admin. This will then take you to the Heritage Online Administrative login page. Now you will need a password to go any further here, but if you haven't got yours, just email the support team, support@isoxford.com, and they'll help you from there. Now hopefully I remember mine. Excellent, and I'm in. And I'm just going to scroll down to where our log files are held. Now we do have a process to be able to import these into Heritage. We provide a utility to import these search logs in and do very detailed analysis using our reporter within Heritage Circa. But when it's something as simplistic as usage and we just want to kind of get an idea for how much it's used, all we need to do is have a look at two log files here, the usage log or the license log. And if I just click view, this is then going to show me with the date, the time, the number of users at that point logged in, and the other log file will show me license log, the license allocation we have, and when they are used, so we can see when those licenses are being used and at what time. Now, both of those logs very quickly can give you an understanding of how much, or I should say how busy your Heritage Online traffic is. If you have any questions or if you need any more assistance, do email me, support@isoxford.com, or drop your questions below in the comments and I'll get back to you.